Hello friends, this is Swapnil. In this video, I'm showing you how I withdraw this my Satoshi balance into BitTorrent cryptocurrency. So this is the website. It's a genuine website. You just need to click here the withdraw button and choose the various payment method available here. So if you wanna withdraw BitTorrent, then you can choose this BitTorrent. Minimum withdrawal limit is 1000 Satoshis, which is earn I am by doing simple work like viewing ads, surf ads, Windows ads, video ads, and here are the faucets too. So recently I just swapped my Litecoin into Bitcoin and then converted that Bitcoin. You can see here this is my three of faucets currently running. Okay, currently in BitTorrent account I have a 12 that BTT. So this is the only faucet account which will be I can withdraw or swap that coins into another coins. I will be making that video later, but I can show you here. If I click here the swap, okay, so you can see here this is the minimum swap limit is 0.0025600 in LTC. So just few seconds ago, this is the date 21st, sorry, 25 October 2021. In just few seconds ago, I swipe that convert LTC into Bitcoin. That is worth of LTC is equal to that Satoshi is here, and here you can see after converting this, my remaining balance plus that Satoshis is equal to 1131 currently available here. So if I click here the withdraw button and if I wanted to check how much it is worth, the value in USD, you can see here this is the 71 USD is available. Okay, is equal to 1131 Satoshis. So anyway, I'm making this video because I just want to show you how I am withdraw BTT crypto without investment. It's a free of cost. Okay, definitely I just need to click here BitTorrent as a payment method. Okay, and just need to click confirm here. I already paste my address here, so you just paste your address here and see this is the total amount of BTT and just hit the withdraw button. They ask us it is confirm or not, so we just need to confirm here. You need to make sure your payment is here, address and whatever you just fill up. You just need to confirm before. Here you see before paste your address, check out carefully. So recently I already get paid by them via Litecoin, and you can see here this is the very much less amount, but still it is okay. More than 3 times I already get paid by them, and this is the genuine website. So this time I am just withdrawing that BitTorrent cryptocurrency. And see amount is updated here, 0 Satoshi is available, and of course whatever I am earning here, it is not by referral income, it's my personal income currently, because here you can see this is the one referral and that is not worth it because maybe this referral is not working for me. I mean that income is not coming here. I don't know where to check the section. You see here register here and spending on, it's a 0 0, so almost that's I'm not familiar without how it's working, like affiliate working here or not, but definitely it will be working if your referrals are active. But for now I can say if you want to make extra cryptocurrency via Bitcoin, I mean via this website, then you can earn here Bitcoin, Ethereum and various, you can see here the various options are available, and faucets are available too here. Many faucets are available here like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, Tron, Binance, BP, BitTorrent, Ether and Cardano. So if you like this video, like it, and don't forget to check out the description box links where I give you my affiliate link. If you wanted to join, refer my link and join this website. Thank you for watching. If you like it, then like and subscribe me. Bye bye, take care and keep smile.